Hi everyone, this is a video to illustrate how you can submit your weekly journal entries. Here I am on the course. Right now I'm on the instructor mode, so I will switch to the student mode so that things are as clear for you as possible. So this is our home page, the getting started page, and if we go to this side we can open the menu, and here you will see that under collaboration, or it might be under assessment, there is class participation, weekly journaling. So if you click on this, you will be taken to week 1 reflections or week 2 reflections. Now we have we are going to finish week 1 journal entry, therefore we will click on the first one. Here there are my instructions, what you need to do to reflect. Basically it is what we discussed in the class. So this talks about what journaling is, and here is a sample for you. I heard that some of you wanted a sample so that you knew what to write. So this is a sample of about 2, 3, 5 pages. Paragraphs. So you can pause the video to read, or you can enter here to read this sample, and then what learning experience you need to reflect on. This is also what we discussed in the class, and here I have put some prompt questions for you. You don't have to answer questions individually. These are just to force you to think, okay? In fact, you're not supposed to do question and answer. You're supposed to do an essay format reflection piece, and just posted it here, about 400 words. After you have read the instructions, you feel that you're ready, what you need to do is create journal entry. You just click on this and you land on this page, basically. So what you need to do is give your entry a name, like exhausting week, because we're talking about how the week went for us. And then explain your reflection. I mean, put your reflections here. It will show the word count. So put your reflections here in paragraphs, preferably 4 paragraphs, 4 or 5 paragraphs, and it will show something around 400 words. And if you have any documents related to your reflection, I mean any notes, any handouts, or anything that you have, just attach it here. And then if you're ready, you can post the entry. Remember that after posting you will not be able to take it back. Or you can save entry as draft and then work on it a bit further. For example, see that it's not reflection, but it is reflection. So just make some corrections, and then post the entry. So here we go. So after that our entry is posted, and we will see more and more entries. As more students add, we'll see more and more entries, and we can sometimes comment on each other's, and we will be able to read each other's work and hopefully learn from it. So this is the journal entry. Hope this video was helpful and will be useful for you. By the way, before I forgot, I would like to emphasize one thing, that the weekly reflections are also in the weeks. So if you go to Unit A, you know that it's 2 lessons. And after the first lesson, you enter that. You do all this work, all this readings and assignments. At the end of that week's instruction, you will see this week's reflection. This is pretty much the same page. It will take you to the same page, and I will, from now on, I will put it at the end of each week. So it is Unit A, Lesson 1, and after all this works, you go to the end. It is week 1 reflection, and the same will be true if you go to Unit A, Lesson 2. I will put it at the end of that unit when you enter. So weekly reflections can be found inside the weeks, inside each lesson. They can also be separately found here under collaboration. I hope overall this video was helpful for you, and I thank you for your attention. Bye-bye for now.